What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Now, I posted a video on this before, okay, with Agree Realty Corporation. These guys are a rival to Realty Income, okay? These guys started increasing their monthly dividend. They converted to a monthly dividend stock, and this is a very interesting stock that can be on a rampage. I'm going to show you an article real quick that they just increased their monthly dividend. So their increase results in a 4.8% month over month growth. Okay. They announced that the board of directors has authorized the company has declared a monthly cash dividend of 21.7 cents per common share. The monthly dividend reflects an annualized dividend amount of $2.60 per common share, representing 8.5% increase over the annualized dividend amount of $2.40 per common share of $2.40. So these guys are coming back. These guys are on a rampage, excuse me. So Realty Income, I'm going to compare Agree Realty Corp to Realty Income because these are two monthly dividend stocks that you need to look at, you need to buy, and I am long in these two stocks, and this is going to wake you up. This is a monthly dividend stock. This is one that is very stable, which I have shown you. The tenants and people that are paying rent to these guys, it's phenomenal. These companies are increasing their dividends. So we're going to do a quick stock and dividend analysis between Realty Income and Agree Realty Corp. I'm going to show you the dividend history. I just showed you their increase in their monthly dividend, but these are two stocks that you need to buy right now. And I'm going to show you a wild card stock that you should probably consider buying for your monthly dividends, because I have a strategy to earn $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends. This stock, again, I'm going to repeat this. This is a rival to Realty Income. Unbelievable stock. It's going to increase its dividends. I did a video on it. Like 99% of people like pay rent that are part of Agree Realty. These guys are just going to get bigger. They're going to get stronger. They're going to increase their monthly dividends, and I'm going to be hot on these guys. Okay, I am not financial advisor, but I'm going to show you. This stock is hot. I wish I had known about this, because maybe I could have made some changes or sold a few stocks that I was a little iffy on. But this is really important for you guys to know as dividend investors, and we're going to check this out right now. So there's a few things that are a wake-up call. First of all, Agree Realty Corporation versus Realty Income Corp. They have not, during the pandemic, they took a huge nosedive, okay? Agree Realty Corporation is a little bit more expensive than Realty Income, but since inception, Realty Income has done better. So the good thing about these two stocks is they're well known, they're powerful, and they distribute a monthly dividend. So Realty Income is probably my favorite monthly dividend stock. But now you have a red versus blue right here with two rivals that are monthly dividend stocks. These are stocks that you can have in your traditional IRA, Roth IRA, and you can day trade it here and there. And these are stocks that are down and you need to attack, okay? And I'm letting you know that these two stocks are great monthly dividend stocks. And Agree Realty Corporation changed their mind. The board of directors basically said, we're a monthly dividend stock. As of right now, they're a monthly dividend stock. These guys are competitive. These guys are strong. And I'm going to be long in both of these. I already have Realty Income. Okay, I'll show you how many shares I own and what my plan is. But Agree Realty Corporation is a stock that has the potential, okay, to earn great passive income, increase its monthly dividend. I'm not sure if I'm going to. One thing I'm thinking about doing is actually just throwing it in my Etrade dividend portfolio. Rich uncles, those guys eventually, when things change, okay, and we get our check for, you know, the liquidity and everything, I'm considering throwing that right in Agree Realty Corporation and increasing those dividends, because look, these monthly dividends are going to kick in and it's going to do some serious damage. Realty Income is increasing its dividend and it's doing some serious damage on my dividend portfolio. These are two great rivals. I'm telling you, these are, when you look at, you know, Ohio State, Michigan, you look at Coke versus Pepsi, these two monthly dividend stocks, I think, in my honest opinion, are the two best monthly dividend rates to buy right now. Realty Income is down. Agree Realty Corporation is a little bit down, but it's slowly catching up and it's increasing its monthly dividend. So that's one thing to look at. In the past 5 years, Agree Realty Corporation has beaten Realty Income Corp. Okay? So that's one thing to look into with these stocks, is how these guys have done against each other. Agree has been beating Realty Income in the past 5 years, but you know what? Look at that nosedive, and this is time to capitalize on these two monthly dividend stocks before it's too late. Okay? I'm going to jump to the dividend history on Realty Income and Agree Realty Corporation. As you saw that previous article, you might want to stop with the video that I had and go back to where I was, just in case, to see their dividend increase. But they're increasing their dividend. These guys consistently increase their dividend. This is what you want. These guys aren't too high up on there. They have slowly increased their dividend, slowly increased their dividend, slowly increased their dividend. What I'm going to do is convert, some of my monthly dividend stocks like Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund to try to get shares in Agree Realty Corporation, because the more shares I get and the more compound interest I get with Agree Realty, the faster my goal will be to $1,000 to $3,000 a month of my monthly dividend strategy. Okay, that's going to take time. It's going to probably take 15, 20 years or so, but you're supposed to be in this for the long haul, and that's what the plan is, okay? So these are two juggernauts. This is a Clash Titans right here. And I'm going to show you the dividend history of ADC, and then we'll do the dividend history of Realty Income. So here's when they converted to monthly dividends, okay? A 3.26% dividend yield, a PE ratio of 40.44, an annualized dividend of $2.60.4, 2.604. And these guys are producing monthly dividends. So if you look at these guys over time, they have increased their monthly dividend and they have increased their quarterly dividend, which makes it a very attractive stock. Next, I'm going to jump to Realty Income with their dividend history. So Realty Income has changed. It went from 22 cents to 23 cents. This is a great monthly dividend stock with a higher dividend yield, a PE ratio of 58.56, annual dividend of $2.82. So dividend-wise and price-wise, they are better, okay? But what's wrong with having both of them? Okay, the monthly dividends increase. They have a very good reputation. They're strong. I mean, during the pandemic, these guys are still distributing their dividends. Now they took a little bit of a nosedive, but they're still pretty strong. So I only have about 2 shares of Agree Realty Corporation, but as I will show you in a second, my expected income of I love it. And I'm going to show you why I love this stock and how much money I'm generating from Realty Income. But basically, these two stocks are they're great stocks. They're two stocks that I'm long on and two stocks that I will continue to buy and reinvest, because the sky is the potential with these monthly dividend stocks. They're very stable. They're very good real estate investment trusts. These, in my honest opinion, are the two best monthly dividend rates to buy right now. So let's jump to my Etrade dividend portfolio. So now I officially have 100 shares of Realty Income. I'm earning $23.52 in passive income, sitting on my butt, just reinvesting the dividends. So I can't complain. It's $23.52. That's just going to increase over time with the passive income. That is very good. In my honest opinion, things are looking very good, very strong with these monthly dividends of these guys. So EPR Properties has taken a hit, but I have 40 shares in these guys and I'm ready to start reinvesting them. I wanted to discuss these guys too because they're monthly dividend stock that basically are not distributing their monthly dividend right now. Well, when things go back to normal, they will be on a rampage distributing monthly dividends. So I'm just letting you know these guys will be back. They will be producing monthly dividends and they will be back on a rampage. So I'm just letting you know that EPR Properties, once everything gets better again, things start opening back up. Once they start distributing their monthly dividend, you got to capitalize on these guys when they're down. So right now they are $46.30. Things are getting much better with the economy. Okay, their 52-week range was $20.62 to $51.84. So just giving you a heads up with these monthly dividends, once things start waking up, these guys will be right back there. So I'm giving you a heads up right now. I mean, you got to strike. I mean, I just did a video yesterday on striking on monthly dividend stocks. These ones are powerful, okay? Now, EPR is not distributing monthly dividends yet, but I'm just letting you know once more confidence starts coming back with the earnings date and people start paying rent, they're going to be back. And I'm going to tell you, they're going to start acquiring places because they might be a little bit cheaper. So just giving you a heads up. So let me know what you think of these three monthly dividend stocks. I know EPR, it's hard to say how much that they're going to distribute. My estimated income in theory would be $15.54, but they're not distributing monthly dividends. So I can't really tell you a dividend history and how they'll do with their dividend stocks. So some other really good not monthly dividend, but quarterly dividend stocks. I got National Health Investors right here. I'm earning $28.34, which I can't say no to. I can't wait to start earning like $30 with O. I mean, that's eventually going to happen. And $30 a month, which will basically buy me more shares of O, and it's going to increase its dividend over time, and it's going to look fantastic. So let me know what you think. Do you feel this? Are you feeling these stocks? Are you all about them? Are you against them? Let me know. You guys take care and have a good one.